In this video, I'll show you how to create an up counter like this. As you can see, there's no decoder in the middle. This 7 segment is directly connected to this microcontroller. So it counts from 0 up to 9 and then resets back to 0. Let's go ahead and implement this. We have segment A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And then we include this so that we have 8 bits. And then it will be easier for us to convert to hex. Then let's determine the values in order to display 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. To display 0, G has to be off, and then all the segments have to be on. So G is off, and then all the other segments should be on. This, we don't care what's here, so I will always write a 0 like this. And then to display 1, you can choose between these combinations. Either you turn on B and C or F and E. In this example, I will use B and C. So B and C, they have to be on. The rest, they have to be off. To display 2, F and C, they have to be off. F and C. The rest, they have to be on. And then to display 3, F and E, they have to be off. F and E, and then the rest, they have to be on. Then to display 4, A, E, and D have to be off. So A, D, and E. The rest, they have to be on. And then to display 5, B and E, they have to be off. So we have B and E. The rest, they have to be on. And then to display 6, A and B have to be off. The rest, they have to be on. To display 7, A, B, C have to be on. A, B, C, the rest have to be off. To display 8, all of them have to be on. And then lastly, to display 9, E and D, they have to be off. E and D. Then the rest, they have to be on. So now I have a 1 here. I don't have space here. So this last 3 bits for 9, I will write them here. I know that all of them have to be on. Now, let's convert this to hex. This in hex, it is, we have 3 here, that is 0x3f. Then this one, it is 0, so we have 0x0, and then this one, it is 6. Then for 2, we have 5 and b, 0x 5b. And then for 3, we have 4 and f. For 4, we have 6 and 6. For 5, we have 6 and b. And then for 6, we have 7 and 12. That is C. For 7, we have 0, 7. For 8, we have 7F. And then lastly, for 9, we have 6 and 7. I'm going to store these values inside an array because that way it will be easy for me to access them. I'll show you what I mean by that. So let's create an array of unsigned integers, and I will name it values. Let's write 11, and then I will store the values here. Now I have 0x3f. Maybe I should do this. Maybe I should do it this way. I have 0x3f and then 0x06, then 0x5b, and 0x4f, and 0x66, 0x6b, 0x7c, then 0x07, then what is this one? It is 0x7f. Then lastly we have 0x67. Can place a semicolon. Now I have these values stored inside an array. If I want to display 0, I will access element number 0. If I want to display 1, I will access element number 1, and so on. So before I can display, I have to make these pins outputs. So in here, all right, data direction register B, all outputs. And then initially, let's turn all the segments off. So 0x, 0, 0. And then now I can start to display. But I want to display from 0 up to 9. In order to do that, I will create a counter variable, and it will be the one which will keep track of the counter. So here I can create a variable. Can call it counter, and initially I'll make it to store 0. Now in here, I want to display the counter. To display, I will write, I simply access these values using this counter variable. So it begins at 0, meaning initially it will access element number 0 and then display it. And then after that, I can increment the counter. And then on the next iteration, it will display element number 1, because then counter will be 1. And then it will increment again, jump to element number 2, and so on. But I have to delay a bit between these values. Then I can build the solution and then run the simulation. As you know, it's going to count up, and it doesn't have a limit. So there will be an issue here. You have to limit this counter variable. As you have seen, 5 is not displaying correctly. Now, we want to limit the counter to 9. When it gets to 9, we are going to reset back to 0. I can write it here and say, if counter it is greater than 9, then I would like to do this to reset the counter back to 0. Then build the solution. So then I can come in here to display 5, B and E, they have to be off. I wrote 6B. So 6B, this is not supposed to be B, this is 12, 13, this is 13, and 13 is not B, it is D. So here, let's delete that and write D. So instead of 6B, we need 6D. Let's build